Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make lightning effect in CapCut. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to make lightning effect in CapCut. First, just add the clip to the timeline. Just click in the plus icon. After that, click Effects, and then here you have video effects. Here night club, lens, select light effects, and here you have different effects. Just select the one you like. Okay, for example this one, leg. You can preview it. And then if you like it, just drag and drop to the video. And here you can adjust the speed, atmosphere. Yeah, it's done. This is what you need to do if you want to know how to make lightning effect in CapCut. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.